guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. I want to give y'all an update on what we're doing indoors as the weather has not changed for the better as of yet. And next week it's supposed to be even colder. So here's what we're doing inside. You guys remember I started these seeds indoors to try to get a jump on spring planting. I'm glad I did start a little bit early, but I want to show you, I was very impressed with the germination rate of all the seeds as well as the growth. So here we started on the 21st of January. These seeds, and this is Swiss chard here. I try to keep my seeds nearby for the ones that I'm working on so that it's easy for me to grab and make reference to. So give me a second and I'll get that set up for you. Emptied all these out. Didn't get that many in a pack. I was a little disappointed, but that's okay. We'll sort this out. Okay, for starters, we have the Ferrymore Swiss chard. This was supposed to germinate. Let's see here. I think I put it on here. This is the mixed color. Supposed to germinate 7 to 10 days. However, this really took off, germinated, and started sprouting in 3 days. So very impressed with that. And the same for the burpee seed. And this is the 7 to 14 day germination. Like I said, 3 to 4 days, that was already germinated, sprouting. And that was the burpee seed. So those are looking good. Here we have the baby choy and the pak choy, and I use the burpee seeds for that as well. These were also planted on the 24th of January. And let's see here. Where did I put the germination rate here? Did I put the germination rate? Maybe not on that one. Let's see. I got a little lazy on that. Okay, so let's check the package for germination rate. Okay, lightly and keep evenly more. Seeding emerged 10 to 21 days. Nope, not 10 to 21 days. And for this one, 10 to 21 days as well. Nope, that's not what happened. Okay, 3 to 4 days. This baby choy and pak choy was already germinated and sprouting. In fact, look at this. It's already got its 2 seeding leaves, and I'm just waiting. It'll probably be a few more weeks before these get transplanted, but I'm waiting for the true leaves to appear. Right now, they just have the two leaves here, seeding leaves. And you can see there's a third one coming, so it won't be long, but at least 2 to 3 more weeks, and I can up pot these. Okay. Also, I did remove the domes off of these, which meant I lost the conveyance of the lighting here. So I'll have to go sometime today, this afternoon, and get lighting for these, because as you know, I was using the domes that had the lights already attached, and because these grew faster than I anticipated, I was not ready. But they are here near the window, and there's a clear door here, so they are getting some light, but you can see they're leaning towards the light, so I need to correct that as soon as possible. With this tray, you remember I did a lot of the dollar store. I can see I labeled these here, dollar store seeds here. I've got the spinach, the kale, the basil, and the oregano. Spinach, nothing as of yet, but it does say 8 to 10 days to germinate, and I planted these on the 25th of January. All of these on the 25th of January, and today is the 2nd of February, and no germination as of yet. Kale, there is one survivor there, and it's taken off. The other two, nothing as of yet. Then we have basil. You can see that coming up. Yes, we got good germination rate on that. Okay, and then we have the oregano, also dollar store seeds. We got some germination there, and there. So those are doing well, and I'm keeping the dome on these until I see more progress, especially because the dome has a light on there. And I don't know if I remember telling you in the last video, but I also am putting water in the water tray, so they are being watered from the bottom, and then I occasionally will spritz them with the water on the top. No fertilizer at this point. I don't think they need fertilizer, but let me know in the comments if you think I should. Okay guys, so with these seeds were planted on January 28th, and again today is February 2nd, and you can see we got progress here as well. This first one says 7 to 10 days germination. You can see progress already, and that's the Big Pink Hybrid by Burpee Seeds here. And then we've got the Honeycomb Hybrid tomato, also planted on the same day, 28th. And then we've got the Jubilee. Look at that. We've got germination, yes. Okay, with the pink one, we only got one that didn't make it. That's okay. And then we've got, like I said, the Jubilee. We've got some progress there in all 3 cells. And then look at this, guys. Look at that. That's the fairy moss cucumber, the lemon cucumber. Look at that first one. There's 2 in there actually in that cell. And then this one is trying to make it a struggle. It's on the struggle bus, but it'll make it. And like I said, that had an 8 to 10 day, but look at it. Planted on the 28th of January. Today is February 2nd. All of these, January 28th plant date, and look at it. Look at that. We got progress. Okay, let's move on to the parsley. That's a different story. Okay guys, so here's a little bit of slight difference in growing method. I use the biodegradable cups here, and I planted the parsley. We've got the dollar store trees, we got the Valley Green seeds, and we also got the garden pack seeds. And look, I just noticed that was not there last night. Look at the garden pack. The garden pack seed has germinated on parsley. I'm so surprised. But these other 2, oh, they on the struggle bus. Nothing, no germination. Wow, but these have not been planted that long. So I planted these a couple days afterwards. So it's been 3 days. Nothing yet. Okay, so that's where we are. So if you're wondering if these seed start kits are worth it with the built-in dome lights, you tell me. I would say yes. They germinated super fast, almost a third of the germination time that's on the seed packet. So in 3 days I got this instead of the 8 to 10 days. 3 to 4 days I got this germinated and sprouted. I mean, look at the length on that. They're a little leggy, but I've taken away their light source, which I need to replace. But they're doing well. They're looking healthy. And I'm proud of you, babies. I'm proud of y'all. Okay? Parsley on the struggle bus, but we got some hope. Okay? And tomatoes are doing well. And our herbs are doing well. And our spinach and our kale is doing okay. Spinach, nothing yet, but I'm gonna keep the faith. If all else fails, in a couple of days they don't show up, they will be replaced, and that's just what it is. Okay, guys, that's my update. You guys have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in the next video.